Okay, on this video I'm going to go over Bell UH-1M or a UH-1B HUEY. This is off of Pima County's website. It says the Bell UH-1 is perhaps the best known American helicopter in the world. It was made famous by its use in Vietnam. Versions of the Huey remain both in military and civil service today. Designated HU-1 by the Army and H-40 by the Air Force, the first Hueys flew in 1958. And in 1962, the designations were changed to UH-1. By the mid-1960s, Hueys could be found in every branch of the U.S. military and were entering the civil and foreign military markets. The UH-1B had a more powerful engine and a slightly larger cabin than an A model and was introduced in April of 1960. Many B models were soon upgraded to C models with a larger and more efficient rotor system. In turn, a small number of UH-1Cs were modified to a UH-1M with another more powerful engine and were equipped with night vision equipment and were wire-guided missiles. This thing's got a main rotor diameter of 44 feet. The fuselage is 42.7 inches and a height of 12 feet 7.5 inches. It weighs loaded 9,500 pounds, has a max speed of 148 miles per hour, a service ceiling 11,500 feet. It can fly 382 miles before it needs to be refueled. It was, like I said, manufactured by Bell, and you can find this one at the Pima County Airspace Museum, or Pima Airspace Museum, right in Tucson. So I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video in quiet. Alright, thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share.